Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Carlos here from PremierReviewer. Well, most of you guys know this is what I vlog with. It's a great vlogging setup. It's the A6300 with the Joby SLR Gorillapod. A lot of people vlog with this setup because it's fantastic. Now I usually vlog mainly with the 16-50 kit lens. I think it does fantastic. It's super lightweight, but what I've come to notice is that as much as I love Joby as a company, their SLR just seems to be very flimsy at times. And the more you use it, the more these things start just kind of really loosening up a little bit too much. And I mean, it's one of those things I just can't have. So it's like, damn if you do, damn if you don't, because these things are fantastic. The usability almost outweighs any negative. So within a year and a half, these things start going loose on your camera system, and then you start getting the sag and stuff like that. Casey Neistat made these famous. I'm not going to spend the $120, $150 for this huge one, especially when the camera is just it's so small. Like, so what's the point, right? It's like you got this little camera, you know, why are you gonna have this big bulky one? Well, Joby decided to come out with a new one. Now it still holds exactly the same weight, still holds 6.6 pounds. The A6300 doesn't even come close, especially with the kit lens. I mean, the kit lens itself doesn't weigh anything, and it's pretty much like a pancake lens. One of the reasons why I love it. But I mean, when you got an APS-C sensor and you're using the kit lens 16-50, it's equivalent of 24-70, right? So it's fantastic. I love the image quality that comes out of it. I know I can't see why more people don't use the kit lens to start. If you're starting a vlog and you got this set up, you'll understand why. With that being said, I was at Best Buy and I noticed that they came out with a new one of these. Even the color scheme's different. It's called the K3 Joby Gorillapod. So it's this guy right here. As you see, it says K3 on it. Try to get this in focus. So it's got the K3 in it. It's supposed to hold pretty much the same weight, but now it's considered like the premium version. And obviously you see it's meant for pretty much the setup I have. I like the new look. I like the more of the charcoal with the little flat red hint on it. So let's open it up. Let's see how this works. And we'll go from there. So first thing you get in here is some documentation. Then you get this right here. And you know what it's like when you get that Gorillapod for the first time, and it's just, everything's so tight. So yeah, it's gonna be my replacement for this. The great thing is that I could still find many uses for this. It's not like it's total crap, because it's not. It still works great. Cool thing about it, it's using the same release plate. So now I have two of these, and it's really cool. There you go. So it's using the same release plate. So I have that release plate right here, and we can just snap it in, and it's there. Oh, it just feels so much better. Yeah, look, it stays there. Oh, and it looks better, because what's cool about it, it literally looks like, because you know you have the Rode mic here with the red and the black mic, and then this little black and red accent. So yeah, this thing is awesome. I think once a year you kind of have to do the bite the bullet and upgrade. Now if you go on Amazon, this thing is on sale for like $63 or something like that. Look how easy this goes up and down, right? Look at that. It's just kind of lost that flexibility that I once had, where it was just real stiff and stuff. Well now, like, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Like, you know, it's not as, I'm not even trying to exaggerate, so it's really just feels so much better. So that's cool. I'm happy about it, and yeah, so much better. So that wraps up this video. I'm super excited. This thing is awesome. I can't be any happier with the result of this new Gorillapod. As of right now, Joby has hit out the park, but this is not no review or anything. I'm just sharing it with you guys because maybe you've been having the same issues I was having, which is having a Gorillapod that's kind of failing you after a year or so. So here's another option. Go check it out. Links will be in the description. So guys, if this helps you out, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. It will be linked down in the description. So, till next time, I'll see you around.